Class 10. Theorem number 5, Pythagoras theorem. Statement: in a right angle triangle, the squares on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Sum of the squares on the other two sides. So, it is a right angle triangle. So, we have drawn a triangle ABC. Here angle A is 90 degree. For a bigger triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. To prove, we have to prove that hypotenuse side square is equal to, that is sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. We have to prove this. To prove, we have going to draw a line AD. Draw AD is perpendicular to BC. It is perpendicular means then this also a 90 degree, right? AD is a perpendicular to BC means then the angle of D is 90 degree. By using the similar condition, we are going to prove the theorem. Now, in triangle ABC, the biggest triangle is ABC, and triangle, the biggest triangle ABC, and then smallest triangle, this is the one, and this is the second triangle, that is the biggest triangle, one, right? A triangle ABD, this triangle ABD, the first triangle is biggest triangle, and then this first triangle ABD. Here I draw roughly. Let me take it as this is the triangle of ABC. This is ABC, this is 90 degree, and this triangle also I change the position to like this, I rotate the terms, so here also we have the same terms, we get 90 degree, that is D is 90 degree, then BA, I rotate this triangle like this, if I move it upward means the D will be raised to top and then BA, right? Now, angle A and D is 90 degree. Angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle BDA. Both are 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. First one. And then in both the triangle, angle B is common. Angle B is common angle. By this AA similarity, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. These two triangles are similar. By the condition of similar, we have the sides. This side is proportional to this side, and this side is proportional to this side, right? So AB is proportional to BD or DB is equal to BC is proportional to BA or AB. BA is nothing but AB, then the distance, right? Now I take this term to this side and BD to another side. AAB into AB, right? AB into AB is AB square. Then BC into BD. I take equation number 1. So the bigger triangle and number 1 triangle is completed. Now the bigger triangle with number 2 triangle. So number 2 is ADC. Here in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here I draw the roughly diagram. This is the triangle of ABC. This is 90 degree. And then see this triangle also I turn this side. The D should be going to top and AC should be the base, right? Then the triangle ADC, D should be going to top. This is D, and A and C will be on the base. Now this is the 90 degree. So by the condition of angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. ADC is equal to both are 90 degree. And then another condition is in both the triangle angle C is common in both the triangle. So angle C is common. By this we can prove that by that AA similarity, angle similarity, we can say the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. So we have proved these two triangles are similar. Now we have, see, in first triangle we have chosen this side proportional to this side. Now we are going to choose that this side proportional and this side, right? Compare this. By the condition of similar, this side is proportional to this side and this side is proportional to this side. Now we have the formula for this. The formula is, by the similarity condition, BC divided by AC is equal to AC divided by DC, right? See, by this condition, here I am going to cross multiplying the term. If I cross multiplication, this AC into AC, right? BC into DC. BC into DC is equal to AC into AC is AC square. So AC square is equal to BC into DC. I take equation number 2. Now adding equation number 1 and 2 in equation number 2. See, the equation number 1 is here. AB square is equal to BC into BD. The LHS side is add with the LHS of the second equation, AB square plus, so AB square plus AC square is equal to, here first equation is BC into BD, right? BC into BD, here BC into BD plus BC into DC, right? BC into DC. See, in the RHS side, here also we have BC, here also we have BC. The BC will be taken out commonly, means inside we have BD plus DC. See, the distance of BD plus DC is equal to, see the main diagram, the distance of BD plus DC is equal to BC, right? The distance of BD plus DC is BC. Now BD plus DC is equal to BC, BC into BC, that is BC square. So AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. It is, we want to prove that. So hence proved. Thank you, students.